degree college campus. So let's say if you want to be a doctor, you can actually sit in the medical campus. You can see how patients are treated. You can see stimulations. If you want to be an engineer, you can actually be in the engineering campus. If you want to be a dentist, a doctor, a practicing sportsman, and Diva is always known for sports. IPL is pretty much hosted there. So there are 20 such fields that today I am here to present you. But it all comes from medium. That medium is NUN. Now for those of us who do not know what NUN is, NUN stands for Modern United Nations. It is an academic replica of the United Nations. United Nations, SSP chapter 8 or 13, I don't remember exactly, but standard 6 or 7. Correct? There are multiple parts of the United Nations, is how I understood. Okay? But they're not parts, they're basically different classrooms. How your school has different classrooms, every classroom has a different subject. Let's say if one classroom is being taught English, what would the other classroom be taught? Then what next? What next? What next? You got conflict. English, Marathi, which one's the third? Some language. Sorry? Second language. We have different classrooms and different subjects being taught. The United Nations also has different classrooms with each discussing a different topic, which are known as committees. So they're not a part, but really a part of the United Nations itself. It's like last time we attended the session where I remember. So all those things when combined together form the United Nations. Anything, any global issue. Let's take a quick round of global issues. I'll give the first one. One global issue that I can think of is terrorism. Everyone is impacted. Second, global warming, environment. Yeah. Inflation, finances, yes. Again, finances, yes. Gender equality, correct. Corruption, correct. Gender equality, yes. Again, a part of gender equality or maybe part of cultural diversity. Yes. Mortality. Sorry? That comes under crime, but that has to be defined under what kind of bullying. Are we talking about bullying in terms of countries like Russia? Environment? Again, finances. Who was finances? Some commerce background.
Regarding marriage.
Again, yeah. WHO. Correct. Human safety, basic rights.
World starvation.
What?
World starvation.
Cultural disputes. Actually, that comes under UNICEF. UNICEF. How many of you know the full form of UNICEF? We'll come to that. We'll discuss that.
Cross-border terrorism.
Pakistan. Why are you concerned? Perfect, great. Yes. Okay, but why, how does that intrigue you?
As she said, we share similar hobbies. Even I'm very interested in public speaking and I've even hosted a lot of events. So when it comes to expressing my thoughts on global issues or something, I'm very keen on that.
Great, I will get in touch with you if I need a host. Right. Any other ideas? Come on, all of you here. Yeah.
Geopolitics is interesting.
Why?
It is interesting. There are many things happening in the world which we should know about.
For example?
Like the wars happening in Russia and Ukraine.
And we didn't say India, Pakistan. Yes, someone has raised their hand.
The politics of the world.
And why is that interesting?
So because we see debates, we hear a lot of personalities.
But why is that interesting to you? You like to see people debating? Tell me why is it interesting to you? Remember, think about it. Yes.
It gives us a lot of information.
Again, why is it interesting to you? देखो टेक्स्ट बुक के अलावा नहीं पढ़ता.
No, because it gives a lot of information
Okay, but again, why is it interesting? What information are you gaining?
about the different colors.
Can't you read about it in SSC?
Not that.
Yes.
It's interesting because we get to understand the psychology of how different people think on certain issues and how they approach to it.
Anyway, why is it interesting? You think, why is it interesting to you personally?
Because I like to understand how people want to solve their issues and if they
Perfect. Yes.
I like it because it I get to give my opinion on stuff which I usually don't get to give my opinion on. And I like arguing with people.
Okay, perfect. Yes.
And I get to like know about how conferences work and how meetings and happen.
Why is it interesting?
Because I like to debate and like share my information.
So you like to be like all yours. Okay.
I enjoy arguing with people.
I'm more for the teachers. Yes. Very good. This is what I interest at that. I let me find in
I
the.
love speeches and a lot of other things, public speaking and expressing myself in words from
Okay.
the process of forming an opinion on what is right and what is wrong and like which side to choose are is very interesting because it makes me think a lot.
Okay. Yeah.
I like to find solutions for the world's problems.
That's interesting to you. I will encourage that very honestly. But as a Sachi, done. If I don't see you in the next 10 years somewhere leading our country as a global leader, then I will get in touch with you and I'll ask you what happened. Alright, so see, we all know a couple of things like it builds on confidence, it builds on a lot of vocabulary skills, and maybe you get to use this fancy term on your CV. CV का full form किसी को पता नहीं होगा, honestly मुझे भी नहीं पता, तो इसलिए मैं resume में बोलूँगा. But bringing the environment, the only thing that we can talk about is saving nature, global warming, glacial melting. Is that all that is?
much more in our minds and waterways.
Correct. Now, if I talk about terrorism, couple of countries that we have in our mind, won't say them. Now, couple of things that we have solved the lockdown. Health. Again, do we understand everything about health? Are we all interested in being doctors? Do we get scared? बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है यार. So these all things are interesting. Only to hear about from a perspective where you like them. Let's say if I want to be an engineer, great, yes, bring me all the mechanical tools and I will enjoy.